IVU, and today I'm going to show you at Kovan vicinity a rare and outstanding HDB executive flat built in 1999. In 1995, HDB made a surprise decision to close applications for executive flats. The last executive flats were completed in 2003 for those in queue. In view of this, such executive flats are available only in matured estates. Looking for a HDB more than 1,005 square feet with 4 bedrooms plus longer balance tenure lease? Or you are looking for a location minutes to city, near to MRT and amenities? If you prefer flats bright and windy plus high floor with panoramic view, do not miss this property at Block 375 Hougang. Enjoy this private balcony where you can also create your very own mini garden. Or you can enjoy a cup of coffee, chill and relax in this balcony, overlooking the stunning view of landed houses and city landscape. Exclusive private corner unit with only 3 other neighbours, this amazing property is 1,517 square feet and above 15th floor. It's rare to find such large executive HDB flats with all bedrooms facing unblocked views. The hall and dining area is so spacious and bright. Explore the unlimited possibilities to create and design your own desires and needs. The functional layout comes with 4 bedrooms that fits king-size bed with full-height wardrobe plus ample space to place additional furniture such as study table, bedside tables and home decor. Or you can create more storage for built-in furnitures. The regular shaped bedrooms give you many options to transform the various rooms as home office, study, entertainment area, kids room and grandparents room, spending quality times and creating beautiful memories with your loved ones. Both common and master bathrooms are all well maintained since it was renovated. The functional kitchen comes with ample storage for the multi-gen family. You can cook up a wonderful feast in this spacious kitchen for the whole family. This layout has a spacious kitchen yard too. For family with schooling kids, there are many good schools around. Xinhua Primary, Xinmin Primary, Yuyin Secondary School, Holy Innocents Primary and High School, CHIJ, Montfort Junior and Secondary. Amenities such as eateries, shopping malls, supermarkets are just a stone throw away. Wait no more! Contact me for exclusive viewing. This is IVU from AAG Division, OrangeTee and Thai, serving you since 1996.
AAG, the #1 top division in orange tea and Thai.